Hello kids, good morning everyone. Have a nice day. From last week, we learned supplementary Auli. Is it? I hope this supplementary is very clear to you. So far, we learned part 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Only one supplementary we covered from last week. And in last class, we totally completed that supplementary. And now again I am going to revise mind map for you. So now I am going to explain you about Auli supplementary by using mind maps. Okay children, listen carefully. It is very important and very easy. I explain you point by point using mind maps. Okay. First, English Auli supplementary. Main characters. Who are the main characters in this supplementary? Very good. Payal, her mom and Auli. They three are the main characters in Auli supplementary. Is it? Now I am going to explain you point by point. I named the points also first, second and third point like that. I numbered the points. Okay. First point. Payal's mom is the lover of animal and birds. Shefali Didi. Shefali Didi means grandma named as Shefali brings one small owlet and they named it as Auli. This is your second point. And we move on to third one. Auli baby can't eat meat. Payal's mother fed meat. Auli is a small baby, so she can't eat meat by herself. So Payal's mother fed meat to her. And in fourth point, it pretended to be dead. Payal took care of Auli. By eating meat, it pretended to be dead. And after that, Payal is taking care of Auli. And we move on to fifth point. Please follow this arrow mark carefully. Auli are night birds. Sleep during day and active in night time. And this is your sixth point. Payal and her mom shifted cage to the library. And seventh point is Payal put a piece of meat and left the cage open. And then we move on to eighth point. Payal after some days leaves the cage open. Few days after, Payal leaves the cage open itself. And then we move on to ninth one. Payal returns from school, find Auli missing, sad and cries. One day, when Payal returns from her school, she finds that Auli is missing and Auli is not in her cage. So, she is very sad and also cries a lot. I am explaining you point by point using this mind map. Please follow this arrow mark. And now we move on to 10th point. Mom asks Payal to calm down and search. After she finds that Auli is missing, Mom asks her to calm down and to search the Auli. And we move on to next 11th one. 11th point is Mom advises Payal to read a book. Payal is in search for a book. By reading books, Payal will be happy. So, her mom advised her to read some book. So, Payal is in search of a book. And we move on to last point, 12th one. While she is searching of books, Payal finds a curio. Curio is a very rare and something different thing. Curio is nothing but find Auli. Put Auli into the cage and scolded Auli not to do this again. So from this we learn how to love birds and animals and also about reading habit. I hope this is very clear to you and I attach photocopy of this mind map also. Thank you children. Thank you for your support parents. And that's it. The supplementary of Auli has been over. Thank you children. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this supplementary Auli and it's time for your assignment work. Today you are going to write mind map. Here I revised mind map of Auli Supplementary. Is it, kids? So now you are going to write it and submit it soon. Okay. Thank you for watching, children. Bye.